Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the Chestnut log. So, I was curious, based on the bark, let's see if we can get a picture of the bark. Based on the bark, I was not sold that this was American chestnut, because American chestnut has a bark somewhat similar to ash and some others. So after slicing the ends off, I have determined that it is horse chestnut. Not American, not Chinese, not hybrid, not nut chestnut, sweet nut, not sweet chestnut. So I trimmed a little off the outer ends, and then I split it in half, hoping to get a couple different bowls out of it. But there are so many cracks, and as you can see, the cracks, they go all the way up to there, all the way up to there. There is this what might have been a lightning strike, or it might have been some damage, maybe a vehicle hit it, I don't know. But that goes all the way around the tree. It's over here too, see it on the other side. So, I was thinking, I know it's not a good thing to do sometimes, but I drew a circle in the solid wood, and I was thinking possibly some Asian rice bowls can come out of these. There'll be a lot of other solid wood. Here's some spalted wood and some more spalted wood to make 2x4s, 2x2s, or pen blanks. You know, there's even wood in here that's still solid. So we'll have to wait and see how it all cuts up, but you can see the cracks are quite substantial. This whole corner, more or less, is almost useless. So it's sort of a shame, but it is what it is. And when you look at the outsides, you know, you've got those cracks, and they go pretty deep. So that's why it's really important when you're trying to save wood from a tree that you process it down to its smallest component as quick as possible. As for a bowl shape, there is a natural bowl shape here, but there's that one crack that comes across all the way into here. So that would kind of spoil it. So it's really coming down to this this 6-inch circle here, and it's so close to that inclusion and this crack here that I don't know if it's going to work. We'll see. Hey, listen, thanks for stopping by. It means a lot to me to have you visit, and we'll keep you updated on the progress of this. I'm kind of fitting this in between other projects. So head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.